come to save the day.
The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is Mighty House.
We're back, and today we're going to do another unboxing of the Klein Tool knee pads that they just came out with. We've got them right here. But first, click on that subscribe button, dingle on the bell, and we'll show you what we got here from Klein Tools. Can you give us that overhead view? Look at this right here. Is that the right way? Yeah, look at that.
Ooh.
So they just sent these out.
These are costume.
These are brand new from Klein Tools, and you've got two styles here. These are knee pad sleeves. So if you're used to wearing those big bulky ones, they have heavier duty ones. These are medium and light duty, and these just slide right over. The nice thing about this, there's no straps to cut into the back of your legs. So I'm just going ahead and unbox these right now, and let's take a quick look at them. So you've got these sleeves, and so you can see on the back.
You just slide them up over your pants then, I think?
Correct, and it's got this rubber stop to kind of hold them there too, so they don't slide around. So that's another
key, because even the ones with the straps and stuff slide down. You got to constantly pull them up.
Right, and then they cut into the back of your knee, in the back of your leg when you're actually.
Well, I mean, even if
working.
those slide down a little, it's not the end of the world. Unless you're going to wear a garter belt, they're going to move.
Yeah, they're not the Velcro or the buckles.
Klein Tool garter belt for your knee pads. There you go. That's
There you go. So now look at that. But you can see this is the heavier duty one. So these are, and the foam in here is really thick, and it's got a little bit harder, and it looks to be.
You can't really see the foam that well, but it looks like a hard coat.
Right, it is, and
So
it's
they'll
longer.
definitely be more durable. Crawling across the floor,
Right.
dragging your knees.
But you can see how this is nice, light, thin material that's stretchy, so that's going to bend, and look how that bends. Can you see that?
Put it on your elbow.
Put it on my bobo. Look at that.
Yeah, put it on your elbow.
Look at that. I mean, that bends really
That's
nice.
pretty flexible.
Yeah, it's really flexible. It's not hard like the normal knee pads that you would wear. So there's the heavier duty ones, and you can see they're a little bit longer, a little more knee protection, leg protection there if you're sliding around. They also have the light duty ones, and we'll go ahead and unpackage these.
And are those cloth on top of the light duty ones, and then like
Yes.
a polymer or something for the heavy?
Yes, and there are. Here, Sonar, come here real quick.
Yeah.
You can read the specs on that while I'm unpacking this one.
Okay, let's see here.
Triple
Triple layer protection,
Yes.
anti-abrasion layer,
Okay.
impact absorbing polyurethane padding,
Yep.
and then neoprene comfort foam.
Okay.
So it's almost like there's a hard plastic on the top, then a soft absorbent
Yep.
in the middle, and then something for to keep your knees nice and soft.
Yeah. Oh, there is like a gel pack in the back of this. That's probably the difference.
That's the
Okay. Yeah. And these do not. These
that's the neoprene comfort foam.
right. And then the light duty ones don't have that in the back of it. It's like a gel pack. That's really nice. And then you have these other ones here. And maybe we'll send the gel pack, the heavier duty ones, down to Rich because he's the one with the bad knees. So.
And now.
So there you go. Go check them out. They look like they're really going to be comfortable. And
Well, Klein Tools are only available at Home Depot, some online, and electrical supply outlets.
and your electrical supply houses. Yep. So there you go.
So,
These are nice. These will look like they're going to be a lot more comfortable. We'll give them a quick run for their money, and I'll drop these in the mail to you, Rich. So you'll get these heavier duty ones since you're the one with the bad knees.
well,
So-
I'm also on my knees a lot more than you are, I think.
And we're going to leave it right there.
Yeah.
Keep it square and level.
Till next time.
That's it. We know all about Rich's
Man,
weekends.
that came out all.
I almost said see you next Saturday.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, goodness.